Hello everyone, good afternoon. So in this lecture I will explain in detail how the PN junction will form and what is diffusion current, what is drift current, what is depletion layer, what is potential barrier. So without wasting time we'll start this session. My name is SRP, you are watching my beautiful channel Love You Science. So let's start. PN junction or PN junction formation. Whenever p-type semiconductor is suitably connected over n-type semiconductor, that contact surface is called p-n junction. Let me write the definition first. If p-type semiconductor is suitably connected over n-type semiconductor, the contact surface is called p-n junction. Okay. So as you know, in p-type semiconductor, majority charge carrier is hole and minority is electron. But in n-type semiconductor, majority charge carrier is electron and minority charge carrier is hole. So let us draw the diagram. This one is p-type semiconductor, and you know majority charge carrier of p-type semiconductor are the hole and minority are the electron. If it is suitably connected over n-type semiconductor, in n-type semiconductor, majority charge carrier are electrons and minority are holes. Here I am writing, in p-type semiconductor, majority is hole, minority is electron. But in n-type semiconductor, majority are electron, minority hole. Done? So now how the p-n junction will form? When p-type semiconductor is suitably connected over n-type semiconductor, then point number one, first point is there will be a concentration difference, or you can say concentration difference takes place between, most important point yaad rakho, between the whole of P and whole of N and electron of N and electron of P. मतलब whole of P and whole of N. Similarly, electron of N and electron of P. Or you can say the majority charge carrier of, you can say the majority charge carrier of P and minority of N. See, whole of P मतलब majority charge carrier, whole of N मतलब minority charge carrier, मतलब majority charge carrier of P and minority charge carrier of N. Similarly, if I take this one, I can say electron of N is majority charge carrier, मतलब majority charge carrier of N and minority charge carrier of P. The most important point. Again, I repeat, when p-type semiconductor is suitably connected over n-type semiconductor, there will be a concentration difference between whole of P and whole of N and electron of N and electron of P. Or you can say majority charge carrier of P and minority of N and majority charge carrier of N and minority charge carrier of P. Second point, due to the concentration difference, hole moves from P to N and electron moves from N to P. मतलब hole moves from P to N and electron moves from N to P. So technically you can say the hole diffuse from P to N and electron diffuse from N to P. So that will form diffusion current. You can say hole diffuse from P to N and electron diffuse from N to P. So matlab we'll be getting diffusion current due to hole and diffusion current due to electron. Is it clear? So that process will keep on continuing till the concentration becomes zero. Most important point, that process will keep on continuing till the concentration becomes 0. So now if hole moves from P to N, what it left? It leaves a negative immobile charge ion. If electron will move from N to P, what it will leave? A positive immobile charge ion. मतलब a negative and positive immobile charge ion will accumulate and that will form a junction. This junction is called PN junction. Is it clear? And the potential across this junction is potential barrier. The potential at this junction is called potential barrier. And this layer is called depletion layer. क्या है? Depletion layer. Again, I repeat, the potential difference between these two terminal or at the junction is called potential barrier, and this layer is called depletion layer. Clear? So, matlab, if someone will ask, what is the direction of diffusion current? The direction is from P to N if it is diffusion current due to hole, or it can be N to P if it is diffusion current as electron. But mostly we consider diffusion current as hole. So whole current is from P to N, that is the diffusion current. One more thing to remember, one electric field will be developed across the junction. Due to this electric field, a leakage current will flow from positive to negative terminal. That current is called drift current. Which current? Drift current. Is it clear? So that is all about a PN junction formation. Okay, so with this I'm ending this lecture. Hope you guys understood what I've explained today. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.